I'm wearing a dress. It's Christmas morning.
Is it your day to be
Christmas
recording?
afternoon.
It's at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
It totally is. I slept late.
Yes, you did.
David's really excited.
I know you're gonna love these.
I think you guys are silly for doing this in the first place. We weren't supposed to do gifts this year.
But we're family, damn it!
We're poor,
Shut up
damn
and
it!
have a good time.
From Santa. And a card.
Jolly bastard.
It's really hard to open this with one hand.
Here, I'll video.
You can take.
Oh boy.
Just point and shoot, that's all.
You know,
There's
Aaron,
the
you're never
dog.
gonna be able to see it.
There's big dog. Big graduated dog. Pretty tree this year. I thought the tree looked pretty. Oh.
A gift for you. So just something to show as the season draws near. Money.
Money, money for my honeys.
This. Whoa.
And my cute tree. Well, wait a minute, I gotta. There. Pretty, pretty, pretty. My Jack in the Box tree. And look, it snowed. It's beautiful out there.
Why did she take the camera? That would have been perfect.
What?
You took the camera and David just said something funny.
What did he say?
Nothing. He's not gonna say it again now.
What?
About your $100?
Oh, it's time to go break that White Castle.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
God.
Oh, wrong way. Now these are supposed to be super duper.
If it's a Snuggie, I'm gonna murder you.
It's not a Snuggie.
I don't hike, Mom.
No, I know that, but they're supposed to be comfortable
Son.
and they're supposed to be warm. Feel the inside.
That's what she said. Damn it, Aaron, it's Christmas.
I'm also a pussy when it comes to cold, so.
Oh, Aaron, you shouldn't have. You wrapped it very nice.
God, it took me hours.
I can
Well, I just assumed Molly did it.
Oh, I wish. No, oh yeah, Molly has your gifts there too.
Molly got us stuff?
Yep. I may have gone downstairs and grabbed a box. What is it?
I don't know. Oh, wow.
Can you guess what it is?
Nope. Oh, wow, it's something!
It's a
absolutely
shelf
For
something special. Hold that for me.
Is it like a giant freaking wine rack?
It is.
Glass. It's not a wine
it
rack.
is. It's totally a wine rack.
You're kidding me.
Mom, you're gonna have to do
There's
a lot
nothing
of
in that box.
Oh, this is
There's nothing. It's just a
I thought the
placeholder.
rest of the.
No, that's just a wine rack.
You sure there's nothing in here? Well, and the wine bottles go that way? Oh, well, that's cool.
Well, at least that lets me know what I need to start getting her.
Wine. It's what?
I don't speak English well.
That's that double degree for you.
That is pretty cool.
Huh?
We'll have to check. Turn that off.
What's wrong, Shy? Jesus. What's wrong?
Oh no.
Shy? Why did you not scare the shit out of you? Because I know she doesn't have claws,
Oh, she doesn't. That actually helps quite a bit.
right? She's declawed. But no, yeah, she's terrifying. I can see why Satan chose you.
It's not a party until you have a nickel tip.
I get one.
So true.
Just put it in my mouth.
He put his camera in your mouth.
He did. He put my lens in his mouth.
I'll put your lens in my pants.
Let me see it.
Wait.
You gotta put it in my pants.
Put the lens back on it. No, I'm not gonna let you put my camera in your pants. As much as everyone wants to see that.
How about my pants?
My brother used to do that all the time. He would take my phone, take a picture of his balls, and make it his background.
Why didn't you just throw change on the floor? Do you want people to just...
That was a nickel tipple. It's not a party until you've got a nickel tipple. It's not a party until you've got a nickel tipple. It's not a party until you've got a nickel tipple. It's not a party until you've got a nickel tipple.
Right? When I watched that was... Now my car just smells like...
Oh, there it is. Molly?
No.
Amy!
It's like she likes to take the road less traveled. Nice. No, now my car just smells like farts.
Honestly,
What are we shooting to?
To farts!
Farts!
In all their forms.
mention a shallow freshman.
Oh, no doubt.
Oh my gosh, look at how awesome this is.
Yeah, I was interested in him, and then I started getting his face, and I was like,
I like being shot master.
Oh no, we have to yell at camera.
we are on speakerphone, we are on speakerphone. Shh.
What are we saying? Yeah, girls like that.
I know. I'm the one who originated it.
Yeah, girl! Suck that dick!
Please don't put this on live.
We should text bomb somebody later.
You've got to let me know.
We got beer.
Fuck you. Change in my pocket wasn't enough.
Fuck you!
Arthur, 2. Molly, 1. Amy, 1. Ain't that some shit?
Damn it.
Fuck you. You're still alive. Treat up.
So good.
Your love, your ass ain't cheap. Now I pity the fool that falls in love with you. Oh shit, she's a gold digger. I thought you know, nigga.
Things that are black. Things that are fast.
Things that go over $100.
Girl, I know, singing. Fuck you!
Amy, higher, lower, lower.
Like, fuck you and the fuck her too!
One for each of the horsemen. Woo! Ain't that some shit?
Ain't that some shit?
Arthur, higher or lower than 9?
How about higher?
13, give him out.
That's a good bet there.
Yeah.
So bad, so bad, so bad, so bad.
3, 4.
Higher, please.
Why?
Give out 8.
Why?
2, 3, 2, 1.
When you have that.
Quick on my feet.
Lower! I know, man, I'm not.
Give out 5.
You!
Quick on your knees.
1 for each of the ladies and Arthur.
Fuck you and fuck her too!
Hey, what's... Ain't that some shit? Ain't that some shit?
3 goes to Jill.
Fuck you.
So good.
The best song.
Well done. 9 for you.
3 happened.
Okay, so since I was a retard on Wednesday and forgot to do my video, I'm gonna have to go steal, reserve some shotguns outside in my underwear. In my underwear. Steel reserve. In my underwear.
Cute.
Does somebody have the steel reserves? Also, I need keys.
We're ready for you.
Anybody have keys?
Why do we need keys?
So we could shotgun.
Dabs it. I have keys, but I'm not giving you my key to stab into a beer.
You can use my keys. They were refrigerated.
Why are you filming this? That's the worst. It's like nasty warm beer before it's even warm.
I'm filming that. Alright, Nate, you can use my keys. Alright, guarding tables, your drinks. You have to be out in front.
Come out in front here. No.
Right here.
Out on the sidewalk here.
Yep.
Can we?
I didn't account for the fact that they would not be cold.
No.
Oh, really? I always fall.
Will be cold.
No.
Oh, really? I always fall. Every time.
Oh, I think I got it on camera too.
Nate, do you need somebody to hold your jacket?
Oh God, I already feel bad for you. I'm fucking cold.
Oh, woo-woo. Love you, baby. Make her proud. Adrian Sullivan approves this activity.
Nate.
Do you want to take your scarf off?
Yeah, that's gonna
No,
get
you get to wear
gross.
the scarf. Well, I mean,
But
you
it's
don't want to
gonna
get beer all over that.
Ah, no, I want it. Ah, no, I want it. Ah, no, I want it. Ah, no, I want it.
It's just behind you so you don't get beer on it. Your mommy gave her that for Christmas.
I won't.
He'll wash it.
It's washable.
Oh, he's so cold.
Okay, go.
I feel so bad.
Oh yeah, not any on there.
Oh. You can go inside now where it's not cold.
No,
okay?
there's another. You're like his corner manager.
My underwear is wet.
You can go in.
Hi, camera. I'm wearing a dress. I hope you're happy, you piece of electronic shit. Check it.
Oh, he's got.
I am wearing long underwear. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Are you the drunker I get, the more cross-dressy I am?
Yes, ma'am.
Look, we match. Merry New Year's. I mean, happy when he said that to you. Whatever.
I'm just glad I'm wearing these because I'm out of pantyhose.
Did you get that on?
God damn it, the camera's still on. Turn that fucking camera off. I hate you. Why? Why?
You're a fucking asshole.
I'm not your monkey.
Good.